have SONY Xperia XZ2 and let me show you how to transfer files to the SD card on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Find and select the apps icon. Then let's find and choose settings. Here you have to scroll down and let's select the storage. And here you've got the transfer data to SD card option. Let's tap it. And here you have to decide whether you would like to transfer your photos, videos or music. In my case, let me just use the photos and tap transfer. Let's allow memory to access photos, media and files on your device. Tap allow. Let's wait until the transfer will be completed. And that's it, the transfer files is completed. You can go back and start using your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.